EXIM Consulting and Technology, controlling import-export data, automating settlement reports, and handling post-clearance audit explanations. With over 10 years in post-clearance audit consulting and 15+ years deploying software, EXIM partners with many processing, manufacturing and export processing factories. A remarkable journey, from EXIM Settlement in 2021, EXIM PCA in 2023, to Origin Control in 2025, and EWISE in 2026. It starts with a solid foundation. EXIM Settlement automates settlement reports. EXIM PCA handles post-clearance audit, proactively managing tax reassessment risk. Origin Control lets factories self-certify origin and automatically submit certificates of origin to eCoSys. And with EWISE, AI is realized for the first time for factory import-export. Looking ahead, EXIM delivers a complete management ecosystem for factories, inheriting proven foundation solutions and integrating ever smarter AI. EXIM, your partner in the factory's digital transformation. Visit exim.com.vn.